These are what will launch the rocket. Make sure we got the pin up. This is the safety pin. That's out. We're safe. Okay, this is the other one. So this, what's going to happen is the electricity from this is going to go in here and ignite the fuel, which will launch our rocket skyward.
And this is what happened last time. And this is going to go 600 feet in the air.
Come over here.
And we're in a big zone. Okay. And Father is going to light it and take video.
Hopefully it goes over there.
Hopefully it goes over there, yes. Which way is over there?
Come here.
Okay.
So what you're gonna do
Which I'm gonna
when
do.
you launch,
I'm gonna launch.
yep, you're gonna put this thing in and you're gonna push it down. The light goes on, and then you push this, hold this down.
Okay.
Okay. Are we taking vid?
Yes, I think so.
Okay.
So,
Push it, put it in. Stand back. Hold on. You gotta put it in. Is it in? Hold it down firm. Hold on. Is it down? Is the light on? No. Now it is. Okay, go.
I see it.
Yeah.
I only knew where it was.
See it?
No, I know.
It's coming down in the parachute.
Oh, I see it. Videotape it. You see it?
Yep. Hopefully it doesn't go in the street, which it looks like it's gonna.